Hi everyone, it's me, Teresa McKelvey, the Yarn Shop around the corner. I am at home because I'm off this week, and so I hope that you are enjoying your time off and ready for family and friends to come over. I have had I've had a wonderful day. But I realize that I match everything in my room. Anyway, but I do have this cute little pillow. Look at that. I just found that at a thrift store. Isn't that adorable? And then look, I found this one that came with a compliment. So I got a little bit of color in my house. But anyway, okay. All right, get with this. I have two important things to tell you. And so I wanted to shoot a video and to say hello and that I hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving week. Two things to tell you that's pretty important. One is the quilting class, and so that's why I wanted to do a video to let you know the information so that you can get on that. I know there's a lot of you that's really excited about it, and so I wanted to make sure that if you were interested that you had the opportunity to sign up. And so it is a quilting class for beginners. We will be having this in downtown Dadeville. I'm so excited. There'll be 8 Wednesdays from 10 to 12 starting January the 18th. The cost will be $150 plus you purchase your supplies. There's a limit of 10 students, and you need to message me for details and an application. And so it should come straight to my phone, so I should be able to get to it right away and let you know. Send you all the information. I'm real excited about this. This came from our Fiber Friday group. And in our Fiber Friday group, we have Miss Elaine, who is a quilter, and she's a crocheter, and she's a knitter, and she's all around all kinds of doing things. And she happens to say one day, well, I've got this great skill. I would love to, pass it on. And then we have Mitzi, who's in our Fiber Friday group, and she's like, I've got this space. I'd love to be able to use it for that. So, it's great. Mitzi owns Zazu's Veranda, which I don't know if I told you, but that's where the classes will be held at. And so it's just this awesome building that we get to use. This where I have all of my my workshops at. And so it's such a blessing that all kinds of things could come out of the Fiber Friday group. And so that this is something new that we can offer to the community. And I myself don't have a whole lot to do with it, just to be honest with you. I do know how to quilt. I have not quilted in many years, and so, but I'm so excited to see it being brought back to the community and people having an opportunity to quilt and to learn how to do. I've seen the squares. I have 3 of the quilts in my shop. After Thanksgiving, I'll be doing a video with Miss Elaine to kind of tell you more details about it. But because there's such limited seats, I wanted to go ahead now and say, hey, here's, get your name on the list. Let's, ask your family and friends for your Christmas gift. I just wanted to give that opportunity to get the information out to you. I'm so excited about it. So once again, it's Quilt Class for Beginners. It's 8 Wednesdays from 10 to 12. Starts January the 18th, and it's $150 plus you purchase the supplies. A limit of 10 students. So please get your information, get your name, send me a message, get it quick so that you can be a part of this. And it's going to be hosted at Zazu's Veranda, and I'm just really excited about it. I just love this. So who knows what else might come out of our Fiber Friday group? What other kind of crafting and workshops and events that maybe we can bring to downtown Dadeville. So that I wanted to let you know about. The second thing I wanted to let you know about is a pretty big thing as well, and because it's going to be going on this Friday. So starting Thursday night at midnight, see, here's what happens. When you shoot a video more than once, maybe when you get to about 3 or 4, you've said the information so many times but maybe messed up somewhere that when you're shooting it the next time, you don't know if you've already said, some information because you're repeating the same information. So you don't know, did I already say this in this video or was that the last video where I messed up? So forgive me if I say the same information over and over or tell you things that you don't want to hear. I'm sorry. So, but what I do want to tell you is that I wanted to find a way to do some sort of Black Friday sale, and I didn't come up with it. My husband did. I said, I'm not open on Friday. How could I do a Black Friday sale? And so he came up with this great idea, and I think it's a wonderful way to, as a local yarn shop, I can't afford to do big, heavy discounts. And so that's just not financially responsible of me. And so, but there are things that I can do to offer just little perks for you supporting the local yarn shop. And as a little thank you, I think he's come up with a pretty good idea. So let me read it off for you. Black Friday sale for the yarn shop around the corner. It'll start Thursday night at midnight and go till Friday night at midnight. And it's a gift card you could purchase at 20% off. And there will be a link underneath this video that you can go to it and you'll click on it and it'll give all your information. It'll send you a coupon and then you can purchase your gift card and get 20% off. So or you can go to the website, which is theyarnshoparoundthecorner.com. And no what?
It's not going to be on the website.
It's not going to be on the website. I've done this video 10 times.
Keep going, we can edit it.
He says we could edit it, but I can't edit. It never works when I edit. Okay, so the link is going to be with this video, though?
Yeah, the link will be with the video, and we're going to put it on Facebook.
Okay, so the link will be with this video, and it'll be on Facebook. I'm not sure why it won't be on the website, but that's because I don't do the technical part, and he does. So we're gonna, yes, it's a 7-minute long video, but I'm gonna just jump back because I just don't want to miss giving you any vital information, and I have literally shot this video, I think, 10 times. Quilting class for beginners. It's the sign-up's now open. We're only going to take 10 people. You must message me for the details so I can send it to you and the application so that you can get on that. It's 8 Wednesdays from 10 to 12, starting January the 18th. $150 plus you purchase the supplies. Limit 10 students. It's hosted and will be at Zazu's Veranda. Miss Elaine is a wonderful instructor, and so her and Mitzi is offering a wonderful space for this. You're going to love it. You're going to really enjoy just being in that space is wonderful. Every time we have a workshop there, it's just beautiful. It's the aesthetic is just pleasing. You could have music, it's an awesome space. So I'm real excited about that. And then Black Friday. Okay, so our Black Friday sale is 20% off gift cards, and it will be available to purchase at a link with this video or on Facebook. I don't know. Starting Thursday night at midnight and going to Friday night at midnight. So, there you go. I thought you could go to the website, but you can. So, I'm not the technical one. I hope that this video has made some sense to you. I hope that you could tell I should be glowing. I've just had a wonderful day. Having a little time away to do some different things has just made a world of a difference. I'm revitalized, I'm re-energized. I'm just remember when I got into this in the first place. And so I'm not going to make this video any longer than it has to be. I will warn you, there will be some videos coming out because I'm feeling better. And I'm ready to get back in and share the things that I'm enthusiastic and passionate about. And some of that is knitting and crochet and yarn. And some of it's a whole lot of other things. So, I hope that you all have a lovely Thanksgiving. I'm extremely thankful for each and every one of you, and I'm excited for what's coming next. And I just wanted to let you know about the quilting class because I think that is just it's just something I never would have dreamed that I would be able to even be a part of. And like I said, I'm not really not part of it. But they're so gracious that they're letting me kind of present it to you, which is, it's so much fun. So that and being able to give back a little bit. It's a small, I know that, but 20% off gift cards and get them now, it's what we can do. And so Jeff and I wanted to do something to express our thanks. And so I love you all. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I really hope to see you in the shop soon. Okay, bye.